Guys, it's Brandon, Bgb.Productions here, and we're back at it. Now, if y'all watched the last video, going to pick up the trailer, y'all see that I teased my F-250 a little bit, so I guess enough teasing. We'll jump into it. But first, before any of this, we're going to jump back to June of 24, me heading to get the truck. The truck was not local. It was about 9.5, almost 10 hours away from home. I took a risk. I got a one-way flight to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And it was a make or break situation. I didn't have a return flight. I didn't have any other game plan but to go down there and buy this truck. So I don't know what clips there are, but I'll throw those in there. And then after that, you know, I'll throw a few videos in of what the truck looked like when I first got it. And then I'll go into what it's looking like right now. And then to kind of cap that off, if the video ends up being too long and I don't like the way that it's looking, I'll make a part 2 of it. But towards the end of that, we'll recap and see if I was able to save the transmission or not from the last video. So y'all stay tuned. All right. So this by far, it's probably going to be one of the longest trips that I've ever taken to go get a pickup. I'm going to bring y'all along for the adventure. Right now, I am leaving my house, which is located in Northwest Arkansas, and it is currently 3:33 a.m. I'm getting on a plane, and I am flying about 9.5 hours to, if I say this wrong, don't come at me, but Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Yeah. So I'm in my mom's truck right now, and I'm getting ready to pick my sister up, and she's gonna take me to the airport. And airport's about an hour-ish away from the house, and I'll pick y'all up when I get there. All right. 4:44 a.m. Checked. Walking to my gate to wait. Get on the plane at 6:05-ish. Check up with y'all. Then, yes, I'm talking a little bit more shallow. Touchdown at Dallas Fort Worth. Now touchdown in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm about 9 hours away from home, and I'm currently waiting for the owner of my new truck to come and pick me up. Hopefully I like the truck. I mean, at this point I'm committed, so I just seen her. Oh, damn. All right, guys. I know I've been blue balling y'all. My hat fell and throw the old glasses on. Let me show y'all what I'm in Louisiana for. '17 F-250 Lariat Ultimate. We got the moonroof. We got 360 cameras. Sitting on a 6-inch Wicked Customs. Got the BMW in the bed. She got it all. Not my favorite color interior, but best part about the truck is right here. See this right there? 136,000 miles. Come on. Now time to drive 9 hours back home. But make a pit stop, getting windows tinted, so I'll update y'all after that. All right, so I'm out here at Louisiana Tint Pro, and I know she's so pretty, but we're getting that taken care of, so yeah. right, y'all. So pretty much the entirety of this video is kind of a train wreck. I told y'all that I'm really trying to do better about posting some videos. So this video literally started over a year ago. I picked it up earlier this year, and then I was going through my drafts and I seen it. So I've had my pickup for over a year. I've put, I think, 14,000 miles on it. I love this truck. Since then, this truck has went through a few different renditions, bunch of different sets of wheels and tires. And then now it's final state for, you know, at least the next foreseeable future, how it looks today. So I'll get you in a few little montage clips of it, and then I'll give you all a little bit of a walk around of what's done to it and what's gonna come to it. So here we go. All right, so now that that's out of the way, I just want to say I'm not good with clips. I'm filming off my iPhone, whatever. So let's start with the basics. 2017 Ford F-250. Yes, it's a Lariat, but it is a Lariat Ultimate. So what that entails is big infotainment screen, center console. You've got the moonroof. And I'm going to be the first to tell you, I hate the moonroof. I've spent almost $1,000 trying to get that thing to work. It's junk. I'm over it. Anyway, looks wise, we have got a 6-inch Wicked Customs 3-link kit. So instead of a 4-link bar, we've got, you know, the main link and then the secondary link. So that's 3-link. We got the Wicked puck plate. We've got Fox shocks all the way around. We've got a Striker track bar drop bracket. We've got a Wicked Customs adjustable track bar. We've got a Kryptonite Death Grip track bar, or not track bar, drag link. We have got a Wicked drop pitman arm. No. Yes. We've got the Wicked sway bar drops. We've got a Bilstein / Ready Lift dual steering stabilizer. We've got a Fab 4, I don't know what series, but full front bumper. We've got a Cervini's, obviously color match 4-inch cal hood. You can see that pearl popping. We have got now with this being a Lariat Ultimate Prep package, it's got the factory LED prep in the truck. So it's got platinum LED headlights and LED taillights. So we've got the platinum headlights. We've got Amazon special retro switchback mirror lights. We've got Amazon special cab lights. We have got a set of 26x14 JTX chamber wheels with the floaters. We've got a set of 37 1450 Fury Country Hunter MT 12-ply tires. We have got amp research steps. We've got a set of, I think, 72-inch Outlaw Fab traction bars paired with Outlaw Fabs rear traction bar U-bolt and a set of Wicked Customs 5-inch blocks, 6-inch lift setup on a set of Airlift 5500 airbags in the rear, and then I have got a custom built management setup in there with I have got bag pressure and I've got tank pressure where I can, you know, flip my compressor on inside, control the air that way, as well as it's tied in to a set of 4 horn blaster trumpets. I'll insert a clip here of what the horn sounds like. They're also wired to the direct horn of the truck, so there's no factory horn. And before anybody asks in the comments, 20% windshield, 5% fronts, 20% over, or 5% over factory, 20% on the back 3. It's going back in sometime soon to get another layer of 20 thrown on the front so they directly match and a brow. I've got a set of Morimoto smoked taillights. I got a really good deal on these because it's got a crack in it. I don't care. I've got a bulletproof hitches, drop hitch. It's a big girl, but it does pull in my excavator great. Obviously, as you could hear, the truck is went through a diet program. It's OG PPEI tunes from 2017. It's got 4-inch turbo back, 6-inch tip, nothing crazy. We got a B&W hitch right there in the back. I've got a 40-gallon tank with external pump set up. And other than that, I'll show you under the hood. It's nothing fancy, but I mean, whatever. We have got Odyssey Extreme batteries. I've got a No Limit Fab 5-inch intake, and it's got a EGR delete, no coolant bypass for now. Those plates come with the truck, so I used them. And another thing, performance-wise, and it also catches another key point from the beginning of the video, is yes, I did save the trans, kinda. It still runs good, it still drives good. I drive it every day. I pull my excavator every day. It's a little, it hiccups a little bit, but I put a Ford OEM valve body in it, and then I also did a, there it is right there, Mishimoto external transmission cooler. That was the best thing that I've ever done to it. The transmission temps are great, and the valve body helped it out tremendously. And literally, other than that, that is it. Like I'll tell y'all in this video, and like I told you in the video that I posted a few days ago, I really enjoy showcasing what I do, how I do. I know sometimes to myself, I feel like it's not very, what's the word I'm looking for here? Exciting. Some of the stuff I do is, but I realize, you know, and I have a lot of people telling me that they enjoy listening to what I got going on. So yeah, here's this video. There's a lot more to come to this truck. Unfortunately, as you could tell, this is my current work truck. I've got another truck that will get introduced to the channel here before long, as well as yet another work truck. But anyway, that's kind of all I've got for right now. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.